Hello, dear students. I am here again to start the new topic of grammar. Today, we are going to talk about the adjectives. Chapter 7 from your grammar book. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. So let's recap nouns before we start. As in previous videos, we have learned that everything around us has a name, or everything we see or talk about is represented by a word that names it. So that naming word is called a noun. Thus, we can define a noun as a naming word. That means the names of things, persons, places, animals, or feelings are all classified under noun. Now, let's understand what are objectives of learning adjective. The learning objectives are: understand and use the adjective in real life situations, to make students understand adjective and their types, to make students identify different kinds of adjectives and their types, to give practice in the use of different kinds of adjectives. After learning adjectives, the children will be able to explain what adjective is, recognize adjective in a sentence, create simple sentences by using adjectives. So we can say that an adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun. Adjectives tells us about noun, that what size, like tall, small, what color, red, orange, green, blue, how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, how something feels, cold, hot, sharp, how a noun looks, bright, pretty, scary, how something sounds, loud, low, how something tastes, juicy, sweet, sour, how something smells, stinky, smell, fresh, how something behaves, slow, nice, and what can be the shape, round, cylindrical, triangular. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjectives generally answers one of the three questions about the noun they modify. Which one? What kind? How many? For example, 3 balls. Here, 3 is the adjective that is describing how many balls are there. Black cat. It is telling us what kind of cat it is. If you have apples, then let's talk about apple. If you have apples, adjectives can help you describe them. Adjectives can tell you which apples they are, like mine apple, that apple, these apples, your apple. Or adjectives can tell you what kinds of apples they are, like yellow apple, round apple, red apple, green apple. Adjectives can also tell you how many apples there are. 1 apple, a few apples, 3 apples, some apples. In English, adjectives usually comes before the noun they describe. For example, I love to smell fresh flowers. Here, fresh is the adjective coming before the noun flower. If the adjective comes after the noun, there is usually a verb between them. For example, the flower is purple, the flower is pink. Here, purple and pink are the adjectives and flower is the noun. The purple and pink are describing the noun flower and is the helping verb between them. Let's take more example. If we say, the tiger is orange, orange is the adjective describing the noun tiger. Another example, the boy was happy. We can find the adjective by asking, what kind of boy is this? A happy boy. The word happy describes the noun boy. So, happy is the adjective and boy is the noun. In the coming videos, we will be learning about different kinds of adjectives like adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjectives. That's all for today. Thank you.